Hello guys, good morning. Bali nakabili na tayo ng block na itong Mio na binubuo natin. So, CNC. Hindi pa ako nakakasubok ng ganitong block eh. So, unbox natin. Ayan, nandiyan cylinder block. Hindi maintindihan ha. So, yan. CNC Motorsports. Long lasting endurance, durable. Tapos good for race and daily use. So unbox natin, tingnan natin. So yan, set to bore kit bali to. So okay to isa to sa MTK. Full dome pa.